All right, here we go. Kubota bx2412. And here we have a model bx2412. Third function valve. Let's open it down here. Some new loader lines. It's the cover for the third function crossover valve. Let's put this stuff up here for now. Careful with this guy. New hoses. It's like a wire harness guide that basically not on this side, but on the other side, harness will sneak in there like that. Ooh, there's some weight. And there's the third function valve, crossover valve. It is heavy. I'm just going to put this up here for now. Clean this trash up. Ooh. We got trash. Yeah, let's go like this. Alright, I'll probably have two wiring harnesses here. This is the one for the tractor. That goes up to the loader valve there. This is the wire harness for the loader. Front end loader. Relay. Weather stripping here, a sticker, and we got like this nylon wrap to protect the wires, the side of the tractor when we're done. Zip tie, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie. So we got that weather stripping right there. Some hardware. Okay, that's the bracket here where the end of this harness will end up plugging into. There we go. Yes. It's that one. That one goes there. That one goes with that nut. And then the relay is going to go there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are going to be for the cover. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Right there. 2 nongers. Lock washers. We'll hold that on. And oh yeah, right here. Don't let anyone touch this switch. And this switch is awfully expensive if someone were to break it or mishandle it. So be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Those are for the covers. I hope it on. That's for that one. That's for that one. Oh yeah. This shorter bolt end up going here. Leaving just this lonesome 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, that's right. It's a new longer bolt right here. All right. Well, that was the unboxing. Let's get this baby put together.